We'll guide you through how to make a dust transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create a new solid layer from the layer menu and place it above both clips in the timeline. This solid layer will hold the dust particle effect. After creating the solid layer, apply CC Particle World from the Effects and Presets panel. Open the effect controls and change the particles to a faded style so the dust looks soft and light. Next, reduce the particle size by lowering the size settings until the particles appear small, like floating dust. After that, increase the particle amount slightly so there are enough particles to cover the transition area without making the screen too crowded. Adjust the birth rate or particle count carefully until the balance looks natural. Once the particle look is ready, animate the particles across the screen by changing the producer position, velocity, or direction settings over time. Enable keyframes if needed and move the values so the dust flows from one side of the frame to the other. This creates movement during the transition. As the particles spread, use the dust to hide the first clip by covering the outgoing scene with the animated effect. Then reveal the second clip underneath so the next scene appears as the dust passes across the screen. This creates a soft and cinematic transition. If desired, add fast blur to the particle layer to make the dust smoother and more realistic. Adjust the blur amount until the effect looks natural. After completing the setup, preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your dust transition is complete.